Welcome to Tech Editing Tips Tuesday. I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems and I'm coming to you today and throughout the summer with crochet design tips to help you craft perfect patterns every time. Today I want to talk about yarn. Now there's lots of bits about yarn that you need to include in your patterns. Obviously you need to include what yarn you've used for your pattern. If it's a yarn that isn't readily available, then definitely add in yarn alternatives, and I would also recommend adding in a yarn alternative anyway, because it gives people a choice and it gives them reassurance that that yarn will work for your pattern. Make sure any links that you put in to yarn companies are correct and that they work. And also yardage. When you're giving your yarn information in your pattern, make sure that you put the correct yardage in. Always overestimate a bit so that crocheters who crochet a bit looser won't run out of yarn, and make sure you add the different yardage amounts for different sizes and different options. So if they wanted to make a long sleeve version or a longer top or a skirt that was maxi length, you need to include the yardage for that as well, so that the crocheter knows what they're buying and gets the right amount.